My name is Janice Clarke, and this is what I have to say about having a happy divorce. I remember one day my daughter called her dad's and my divorce a happy divorce. Her choice of the word happy surprised me because, as we all know, divorce is a difficult journey. Typically, people experience and expect divorce to be unhappy. In fact, your friends, family, and your lawyer may be telling you it's inevitable. The truth is, on its best day, divorce is the end of a dream and the dismantling of something precious. How could this be considered happy? I am passionate about helping people who are facing the transition of marital breakdown and divorce. One of the first principles I share with separating couples is this: everything is ours until it's yours and mine. One of the greatest contributors to failed marriages are people's challenges with money. Let's be honest, money brings out the worst in us. Imagine then the challenge when a marriage fails. Resources have to be divided and dismantled, and a couple who's already at odds with each other needs to find balance and fairness then. This requires some radical financial planning. Divorce often creates the need for a better financial plan and clearer boundaries than ever existed in the marriage itself. You may need to ignore those encouraging you to fight, pitting you against each other, and costing you tens of thousands of dollars of your family's hard-earned money. How you see your money is the key. When you see everything as ours, you refuse to give your family's resources away needlessly. This is where the process begins. If you are facing a relationship breakdown, I would love to sit down, listen, and help you during this life transition.